Aloha! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the program learning outcomes for a program that's already in TaskStream. If you have access to that level of review, then you can scroll down until you see the degree that you're going to be editing. In my case, it's AS Paralegal. And to get to the workspace, I'm going to click on the link below, Program Degree Certificate Assessment Workspace. Once you click on that, you'll see a space that looks quite a bit like the individual course space. You'll see the standing requirements with the mission statement, the learning outcomes, the course to program matrix, and the program report archive. For this video, I'm just going to show you how to adjust the existing learning outcomes and how to make sure that your courses are mapped to those learning outcomes. So I'm going to click on the Learning Outcomes button, and when I do, you'll see that it says AS Paralegal Outcome Set, and for you it will say either the name of the certificate or the degree that you are going to be editing, and then you can see that I have the basic outcomes in here already. It says no mapping. We're not going to worry about the mapping part now. We're just going to worry about how to edit these. So the first thing you need to do is check out the document. And when you do, all of a sudden you'll see the map and edit buttons appear on the right hand side. To edit it, simply click the word edit. You'll first get a warning saying that any changes you make here will automatically update other things that have been mapped to that. Then you have the same outcome, concise descriptor, and the same description boxes that you had for the courses. You can make any change you want by clicking in the box, and then when you're done, click Update. Any changes you make will show in the box, and if you need to create a new outcome, because you've added a new SLO, it's just the same process as adding a new student learning outcome to a course. If you get this warning that other areas will be updated with these changes, you're going to want to click Yes, because that's going to apply when we look at our next step, this course to program matrix. So I'm not going to do it here because it would mess up my existing program learning outcomes, but if you were adding a new one for real, you would click this button and then click Update Selected Areas. And then you would click Back to All Outcome Sets. Now that you have your updated outcomes, check to make sure that each of the courses in your program reflect one of them. You do this by clicking on the Course to Program matrix. TaskStream will tell you which curriculum maps are currently active, and to edit the map, you just click this little link over here. After you click on that button, it will show you a table with your program learning outcomes, your PLOs across the top, and all of your courses along the side. To add a course to that particular competency, and you click the button to indicate what level of thoroughness is being demonstrated in this course. For instance, LP is the beginning level of competence, L1 is the college level competence, and L2 is the more advanced level of competence. And then you click it one more time if you've made a mistake and you want to wipe that out. When you're done with making your changes, there's a little Save Now button in the upper right corner. Click on that, and it will take you back to the workspace. And that's all you have to do to add or edit learning outcomes to your program, and then to make sure that all of the courses in your program reflect one or more of the program learning outcomes.